American 2819 is with you. We're out of 1700.
American 2819, your departure radar contact on the maintain 17,000.
17,000, 2819.
American 2819, just want to confirm 17,000 and turn left heading 090.
17,000, 090, 2819.
American 2819, turn left heading 060.
060, 2819. Departure American 2819.
American 2819, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We've got a flight control issue. We need to go back to the airport.
American 2819, you said a flight control issue?
Yes, ma'am.
Roger. American 2819, turn right heading 150, descend to maintain 5,000.
All right, 150 down to 5,000, American 2819.
American 2819, contact approach. Person, stay with me. American 2819, expect ILS runway 31, right approach, information will be must current.
Sorry, 31 right, American 2819.
American 2819, Kennedy altimeter 3002, contact approach 125.7.
25-7, American 2819. Approach American 2819 is with you out of 11 for 5.
American 2819, roger. And are you ready to go in right now?
Just give us a few vectors and a wide turn. We've got just a weird flight control feeling, and we got a pressure differential on it, so we'd like to get back on the ground.
American 2819, a couple things. Are you going to be an overweight landing, and are you declaring an emergency?
We will be in an overweight landing, and yes, sir, we'll declare an emergency.
American 2819, roger. American 2819, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 2819.
American 2819, whenever you get a chance, I need souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
All right, we've got 158 souls and 219 minutes.
And can you give me that in pounds, please?
21.9.
American 2819, 31 left is a longer runway if that's what you want.
Sure, we'll take that.
Set up for the ILS runway 31 left, turn right heading 280.
280 and 31 left, American 2819. What was that heading again for 2819?
2819 heading 280, and just let me know when you're ready to go.
All right, 280.
American 2019, did you want another spin, or did you want me to put you towards the localizer?
Oh, you can head us toward the localizer.
American 2019, heading 350, intercept 31 left, localizer.
350 to intercept 31 left.
American 2019, 11 miles from Niels, descend to maintain 2,000 until you're established on the localizer, cleared out left, runway 31 left.
All right, you were blocked on that for 2819.
Say again?
Somebody blocked you on that?
American 2819, I was just giving you an approach clearance. You're 10 miles from Niels, maintain 2,000 until you're established on localizer, cleared ILS runway 31 left.
All right, cleared ILS 31 left in American 2819.
American 2019, do you want any trucks or anything standing by on the runway?
Yeah, so you should probably have them standing out there since we declared an emergency.
American 2819, contact Kennedy Tower 123.9er.
23.9, 2819. Tower American 2819 is with you, 31 left.
American 2019, Kennedy Tower 104013. There'll be 3 departures prior to arrival, 104013, I'm sorry. Runway 31 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 31 left, 2819.
And American 2819, I think I missed it earlier, but runway 31 left, shortened, clear to land. Personnel and equipment in the closed portion, but there's the same landing distances available for 31 left.
2819, Roger, thank you. Clear to land, runway 31 left.
American 2019, stay in tension.
We should be able to go back to the gate from 2819.
American 2019, roger. Right 1 able, then right Papa, and confirm you do not require any assistance.
Negative for now, American 2819, thank you.
American 2018, no problem. Right Papa, left November, left Alpha, and you can remain this frequency.
Right Papa, left November, left Alpha, this frequency.
No problem, and just let me know if you need anything.